How to turn off green light on Instagram. So this will be the same for the Instagram app on Android or iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad, as it is for the website version on Instagram.com if you're on a MacBook laptop or a regular Windows PC computer. So what you're going to want to do first of all is go to your profile. So if you're on the app here, you want to click your profile at the bottom right hand corner. Once you're on your profile, you want to click the top right hand corner where you see the three little lines, or you just want to go to the settings menu on your computer as well. Click settings after clicking the three little lines, then it's going to bring you to this menu here where you want to scroll down until you see privacy. Click on privacy, then scroll down until you see activity status. Click on activity status, then you want to make sure that it's not blue, it turned black like that, so click on that. Once the activity status is turned off, that means the green light will not show anymore. So the green light and activity status are the same thing. So leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.